Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up uploading photos for car damage with GEICO, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start uploading photos for car damage with GEICO, first, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Next, open the GEICO mobile app on your smartphone or visit the GEICO website on your computer. If you are using the app, log in to your GEICO account with your credentials. If you're on the website, click on the login button at the top right corner. Once logged in, navigate to the Claims section. Look for the option that says File a Claim or Report a Claim. After you click that, you will see an option to upload photos. Select the option to upload photos of the damage. You may be prompted to take new photos or upload them from your existing gallery. If taking new photos, ensure your camera is focused and captures all angles of the damage. Take clear pictures that include close-ups as well as wider shots showing the context of the damage. If you are uploading existing photos, browse your device and select the relevant images. Check that all required photos are included before proceeding. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click the Upload button. Wait for the upload to complete. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed. After the upload finishes, review the information you've submitted for accuracy. If everything looks right, submit your claim. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your photos have been received. Keep a record of your claim number for future reference. Now you've successfully set up and uploaded your photos for car damage with GEICO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.